Yeah, I'm gonna play it. Okay, I already have it installed, so here's Angry Birds 2. I'm gonna play the second one. I'm gonna play the first. The first one I was thinking about playing it, but I just didn't want to choose, so I just choose this one. Okay, so today, yeah, this is gonna happen, and see you guys whenever the game actually downloads the game data. So, see ya. Okay, guys, here's the thing. The beginning of the second one. Don't take him, don't take him. Better watch out. Don't make the birds angry. Run, run, run. Give them back. Just give them back. Give them the eggs. Yeah, I don't think he's giving it back. But I played the first one. I haven't recorded it because I don't have it right now because well, I can't. Okay, so I didn't want to get it, so again, because my storage space runs out very fast. So if you guys can see that last video, my storage space was full, literally. It was almost full, and I had to do a bunch of stuff. Okay, so that's the main point of this game, where like you just have to try to kill those birders, ugly little piggies that just try to like take your eggs. Okay, I need to sign into my account. Hurry up! I really hate whenever it takes forever. Allow. Okay. Yay, leveled up to 7 on Play Store. Not that interesting, I know, I'm boring. Whoopee. No, it looks different. It's confusing. I do not have a Facebook, so I'm not going to be using Facebook or anything. The music's cool. Okay. Okay. Hurry up and build up. Okay, I really need a tutorial. I played it the first one, and this is not the same. It's just a little bit different. Well, it could be the same. Come on. Holy shoot. Next. Okay. No more tutorials. Oh wait, there's still tutorials. I thought it stopped. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember. What does this do? Oh, it just does that. Explode. Yes. Oh. I felt like it was about to hit me. Literally, right now. I want to make this as interesting as possible. And thank you for your support at watching my videos. I really like it. I saw my views on my other videos, and there was 14. For like other YouTubers, that is a little. But for me, that's a lot. Okay. My camera was going crazy right now. It was like, I was like talking in right now. I don't know if you guys are gonna realize it. You might. Oh, cool! I got the blue dude. He goes in pieces. 3 pieces. That was fast. My camera's messing up. My face cam, not my camera. Okay, so this is gonna load. I don't know how to fix this, but let me just try. That worked. I'll just leave it. I'm sorry if the video's all messed up. Okay, so right there it's telling me. I did that. I pressed it right there. Yes. Yes. What? Oh wait, you want to still survive, right? You think you can survive? No. You know who I am? I'm Saul's natural guy. You're messing with him. And if you mess with him, you mess with the rock. Okay. Come on. Okay, so I should attack from like right there. Oh, no more tutorial, so I think I did good. Okay, no more piggies. They just saw who they're messing with. Like it's like a TV because like all the like things that just sort of. No, I'm not connecting to Facebook. Huh. I can make my face look like a piggy. There. More games. No, I don't want to play more games. I'm gonna play one probably tomorrow. Red Battle Cry can build. This is I really like this. I like the idea of it. I also really like the graphics of like cartoon graphics. What's that for? He's not made for rock, he's made for ice. But it's still really good. Don't give challenge to Blue. To Blue. It's your guys' fault. You guys took my eggs. And nobody takes Saul's eggs. Next. Okay. Fourth. Awesome. Oh, I can open it. I can open it. What's in it? What's in it? Oh, the block dude. The wood. Yeah. He's really cool. I like his powers that he like goes very fast. Yeah, he like boom, boom, boom. I'm really liking the idea of this. I think they have like Transformers. They also have like Angry Birds Night, something like that. I don't really know, but they have something like that. Okay, so don't fail me now. Tap it. There. I was about to tap it. I'm the boss. Strike. Oh, you ready? Okay, this is the last one. I know I said it. So I think I said it in the other one. Okay, so if I beat this, holy moly! What the heck happened? They survived? What the heck? No. I don't like this. I don't like the idea about them surviving. Okay, you guys might stay here a little bit long. I don't like the idea of them staying alive. This annoys me. That's it. I'm not ending this video until I win. Retry. I am not giving up. And also, I'm just gonna mention that this video was gonna be Star Wars Uprising, but I didn't have enough files for it, and I need to do a bunch of stuff. I'm weird. Right there. Now, that's not the problem. These are the problems. Come on. Okay, I might have an idea. This might be, okay. Japanese card. This is like Pokemon. I'm not saying that it is. Well, it has its similarities. Come on. Yes! Yeah, that's what I want to hear. And see. Okay, so I said this was gonna be the last. And yeah, it is the last. Yeah, so, okay. So, if you liked, like. If you really liked, subscribe. If you subscribed, then you can just keep watching my videos. That'd be helpful. Hey. Hey, what the heck is this? Wait, let me just grab this stuff. Or end it. Okay. So, bye. Oh, wait. So I received gems.